I want to say thank you for everyone, and it's really nice. My background was some kind of these things, but not with contact and all this exercise. And I just feeling okay. I think I found what I want to study more and more and more. And everybody is open the mind and just try to stay here and share our technology and cultures. And it's really difficult. I couldn't will be very more stronger, understand one each other, but sometimes we just look and okay, we can work together, and even the language,
I know.
and everybody was very nice when I couldn't understand it more. So just thank you was amazing, and everybody is really nice. Thank you.